Hey guys, this is Sammy from LINE10 Tools. Today we're going to take a look at the 6-inch metal buffing kits. They come in two different variations. One is for buffing hard metals, the other one is for softer metals. These are great buffing kits for anyone who wants to achieve a smooth, polished look on their metal surfaces and objects. Let's see what's inside the boxes. Now in this kit, you will get 3-step buffing compound, a drill adapter, and 3 buffing wheels, 6-inch in diameter. And of course, a step-by-step instructional sheet. Now let's take a look at the soft metal kit. You also get 3-step buffing compounds, a drill adapter, and 3 6-inch buffing wheels, and the instructional sheet as well. Now let's talk about the buffing wheels. There are basically 2 different types of buffing wheels. They're both made of 100% cotton and are spiral sewn, which adds firmness without sacrificing flexibility in cutting action. Both of these wheels, they come with a 1/2-inch arbor hole, and it's leather lined to withstand wear and tear. They can be mounted on any 1/2-inch arbor machine. They're great for bench grinders and buffing machines. Now the main difference between these 2 buffing wheels is the firmness. For example, the yellow wheels are designed to be a lot more firmer and denser than the white wheels. They're great for those initial buffing stages of the first and second cut. They're stacked in 55 plies and are about 7/8 thickness. Now the white wheels are engineered to be super soft and fluffy. Now these white wheels are a lot more flexible than the yellow wheels, and they're perfect for those final touches and getting that mirror shine. The white wheels are stacked in 70 plies, which yields a little bit more than 1 inch in thickness, which is a perfect thickness for the final stages of buffing. Now let me show you the drill adapter. With this little guy, you can power your entire buffing process. This can be helpful in case you don't have anything else to mount your buffing wheels to, or you simply want some portability. Let me show you how it works. Basically, remove the nut and one of the washers, and you slip the wheel in the 1/2-inch holes. Now this part is a 1/4-inch shank which fits into any drill or drill press, and this part is 1/2 inch. Put the other washer, so you have 1 washer on either side. You make sure it's in there tight. You put the nut back on, and you gotta tighten the nut securely. I like to use a 3/4-inch wrench and a slotted screwdriver to make sure it's tight. You want to have it tight so it doesn't get loose, but not super tight that it's impossible to remove. There you have it. It's the wheel now is ready to go into the drill. I recommend using an electric drill with a cord, as cordless drills are very underpowered, and they don't have the RPMs required for the buffing process. Simply insert into the chuck and tighten the chuck. You can use your drill freehand as you normally do, or you can clamp it down in your vise, but make sure your drill is ultra secure here. You can certainly use a trigger clamp to keep the drill running while you are buffing. You can also mount your buffing wheels on a drill press. It's a super easy and a convenient setup. It's recommended that you set up your drill press belts to a higher RPM if you can. Now let's talk about the buffing compound. There are basically 6 different grades or grits. Number 1 is going to be your coarsest grade, while number 6 is going to be the finest. Number 1, 2, and 5 are a good combination for buffing hard metals like iron or stainless steel. Great for applications like buffing golf clubs or knife blades. Number 3 and 4 and 6 are going to be your combination for softer metals like gold, silver, copper, brass. Great for applications like buffing antiques or jewelry making. These buffing compounds, we also sell them on their own in a 6-pack. And you can also get them in a smaller size. Now these buffing compounds are actually dry and powdery. They are made of a fine abrasive powder mixed with a binder agent or medium which resembles dry wax. Think candlesticks. Let's go to the buffing machine so I can show you how it works. Now I'm starting with the number 1 buffing compound as the first step. You can apply the buffing compound by rubbing it against the revolving wheel. With friction heat, the compound should melt and spread over the edges of the wheel to create a film. Now once you're done, you can use a scrap metal edge to eliminate clumps and even out the compound film. This light film will get transferred to the surface and create a finely abrasive slurry that removes scratches and imperfections from the metal surfaces and bring out the shine. Step number 2 is the gray buffing compound in combination with the yellow wheel. Simply rub it from side to side to get an even layer, and then use a scrap edge to even it out. Repeat the step until scratches disappear and the color appears unified and clear of blemishes. This is the final step in the buffing process. Number 5, white buffing compound in combination with the soft wheel. Repeat the step until achieving desired high gloss finish. Here's the final result. It started out looking dull like the number 4 on the left. You can see the difference clearly. Thank you for watching and check out the details in the description.